So anyways, ignore how I look. It's my friend's birthday, not today. So I got her a card and a gift card. So I need to sign that really. It was last minute, so I just got her a Target card. Hopefully she likes Target. I say last minute like I didn't know her birthday was coming up. I knew her birthday was coming up, but she was a flight attendant, or is, and I never know when she's in town, so I didn't think she'd be here to celebrate her birthday, but she is. So let me write in the card.
Hey, I'm gonna cry in the car. I forgot all about it. Where's the rapper at? The rapper? Oh, there, right. Alright, so we got some mysterious candy from Jacob Luna that he got from his co-worker at O'Reilly's. Taste test.
Polly's does not, he does not get to sleep in the bed.
Look how cute. Yeah, look how cute you look. Hey. But yeah, I get a tattoo spontaneously. I'm a little guinea pig for today.
You nervous? Kaylee's about to kill it. Oh yeah, okay. Right. It's a baby mama. Yeah, right now in front of everybody.
1, 2, 3.
Ah, yeah.
Hey! Hey!
Congratulations. Yay.
Now, kid.
So, anything good in the streets?
We haven't really tried anything yet. Just got a drink. But we're about to try this.
Grilled cheese, Bubba's.